is
woman,
right,
why, where is United Nations, Geneva, UNICEF, where is United Nations, Geneva, UNICEF, we refugee, we immigration, why are we killed, why are we bombed, why are we robbed, why are we killed, why are we imprisoned, why are we human rights filters keep silent, why are we human rights watch filters keep silent, why are we human rights keep silent, where is United Nations, Geneva, UNICEF, where is United Nations, Agent, Commissioner for Refugee, Yemen, Aden, where is United Nations, Agent, Commissioner for Refugee, Yemen, Aden, Yemen, only rights, keys, reject, missing, stop, no just, no speaks, no right, where is human rights, where is United Nations, Geneva, UNICEF, we belong African nationality, Ethiopia, but we don't have the right. We don't have government. We don't have a country. We refugee. Why are we bombed?